Okay, the reason for the sponsorship of this tournament is because we've discovered the 3P formula. The 3P says peace promotes productivity. Productivity promotes profitability, and profitability again will promote peace.
Give me your day and make we run and code. We know they do anyhow. Now better investment they down.
And we found out that the precursor for peace is unity. If there is no unity, you can't have divided peace. You can't have sectional peace. You can't have any kind of peace that is not united.
From city to city with your own package. I for them go.
Oh, is that the collateral protected that means? What is his name? Another player is now. Let's see the play.
So we came into this community as a company in the middle of our thing. We believe in scaling CSR. So while doing our CSR, we asked the community, apart from our development that will be coming up, where we'll be doing skill acquisition centers, hospitals, and more where the community and landowners can get some welfare, and a lot of other things, we decided to start with the low-hanging fruit, which is football. Everybody loves football. There are two things that we are all of one culture, one religion, and one belief, and that is money and football.
Let's take some 2 minutes in this game.
We know the sales, we the sell value. If you want to invest, we go show you. Your money no go, he no go also. Don't let me talk, don't tap it all.
The community has already projected and put their best foot forward. You can see the standard of decorum and comportment of this competition. It almost was more organized, more peaceful than the national level competitions. It is even more colorful than some of the NFL football tournaments. So I will urge the community, as long as they remain united and peaceful, profit will be coming, and I am going to ensure that our company is sponsoring this every year, because we are not looking for money for this. We are the first company in Nigeria to incorporate 10% equity in our expenditure for CSR. So whether economy is good or bad, as long as our company exists, 10% of what we allocate for resources will go to Alesa Foundation, and that Alesa Highlands Foundation will take care of things like the football tournament, the carnival, in addition to other things like health and skill acquisition. So this is just a tip of the iceberg, and it will not only continue annually, it will get better annually. I feel very elated. This is the best thing I've seen in a long time, because not just seeing the standard of the players, that to show that the community put their heart into it, but you can see the amount of crowd that came out here today. I was wondering if it was Alesa Unity Cup we're having, or a subsidiary of AFCON competition, because that's what's going on here. So the colorful celebration and the joy, you see, in any community you go to, there's an invisible pulse that you can feel in the air. The pulse of this competition has shown me that this community is ready to lead development, not only in Rivers State, but to showcase themselves to the world. Youth are the bedrock of what we are doing in my company. As a matter of fact, not only in Alesa, nationwide I'm a youth promoter, because the energy of productivity is the youth. And as I told you before, peace promotes productivity, productivity promotes profit. Without productivity, there will be no profit. The energy of productivity is the youth. The future of productivity is the youth. There is no youth, no future. So everything I do is buttressed on the youth, anchored on the youth, focused on the youth. The youth are more important to me than any other part of this continent called Africa. And as a matter of fact, they form 70% of our population demography in Nigeria and 60% of the population in Africa. 60% or 70% is A in an exam. It can never be negligible.
What started the music of the fellow Minister of Finance, Mayor has said it all. You don't want unity, unity is the unity.
Alesa,
If you are next, King Dr. J.D. All of you can see exactly what happened here. The market closed. All the institutions were closed just because of Mayor of Nigeria. And Alesa were happy. All of you to carry the message across the ocean that Alesa is united. If not what else to unite, it's your own business.
Your money go rise, you no go fall. Make you no slack, make you no dog. We don't sell house, we don't sell value. If you want invest, we go show you. Your money go go, he no go lost. So come make we talk, don't have to dollar. From city to city with your own package. Affordable price, no be baggage. A quality shop pass, no be manage. Make we sign deal, no be just call.
Making highest goal scorer. Well done. Score more goals and more alert in your life. Congratulations. Best goalkeeper. Best goalkeeper. Well done. We wish you more value and we continue to represent your talent and you will go global in Jesus' name. Congratulations. World champions. I didn't know that Alesa has already crowned me a champion. So this is more than a trophy and an award to me. And I promise Alesa two things. Number one, this is just the beginning. Every year will be better than the previous year. Number two, between now and the next 7 years, if Alesa is not on the world map, that if you mention Alesa anywhere in the world, they will tell you where it is. Between now and the next 7 days, if I don't deliver that, come and collect your trophy again. But from now, it is development through and through. And I thank you for this Unity Cup because you've been saying no mayor, no development. But the truth is no unity, no development. Because it is unity that brought the mayor. Keep up the unity and God bless you.